This chip has ended careers and started internet legends.
Handled like a hazardous material, because at this concentration, it basically is. It starts on a farm, growing some of the hottest peppers on the planet. This one variety alone can hit over 2 million Scoville units.
Picked by hand, because machines can't tell ripe from raw. From here, they travel straight, to the processing plant. First, a wash to remove dirt, bacteria, and debris. Only the strongest peppers make it to the next stage. Crushed into a raw, fiery pulp. This is where the real heat begins.
This is where capsaicin, the compound behind the heat, gets concentrated. If the number's too low, the entire batch gets rejected.
This oil alone could ruin your ender day if mishandled. Meanwhile, the base of every nacho starts with simple corn dough.
Rolled flat, then cut into that familiar triangle shape.
Fried at high heat until golden and crisp.
Cooled quickly so they don't overcook.
Now comes the dangerous part, the seasoning drum. Too much oil, and the entire batch becomes unsafe to package.
Every batch goes through a mandatory heat test. One bite is enough to bring most testers to tears.
Some factories even track heart rate during testing.
Milk on standby is not a joke here. It's standard procedure.
Only if the batch passes does it move forward to packaging.
If it fails, the entire batch is thrown out. No exceptions.
Approved chips move into single-serving packaging.
Notice something? Each pack holds just one single chip.
Because this isn't food anymore, it's a controlled dare. Workers still wear gloves, even at this final stage. From here, it ships out to stores and warehouses worldwide. One truck can carry enough heat to challenge an entire city.
And just like that, it's in your hands. This tiny chip is the result of farms, factories, and science.
The question is, would you actually eat it?
Comment below if you'd take the challenge. More extreme food stories are coming very soon.
New videos every single week.
Subscribe to Factory Files for more of the world's strangest factories.